CMT T1325V CNC Router machine. It adopts a heavy-duty bed of CNC finishing milling. With a frame steel thickness of 5 millimeters, the entire machine weighs up to 1,000 kilograms. Compared with ordinary planer processing, it has higher precision and stronger stability. The 1.5 mold precision milled rack is more wear resistant than the 1.25 mold ordinary rack, has a longer service life and faster cutting speed. The vacuum absorption uses a high-power motor with strong adsorption force and strong suction force to keep the material stable during the cutting process. Using independent DSP control to ensure the machine runs fast and stably, saving you materials and improving work efficiency.